Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to remove page numbers in Word document. Make sure removing page number in MS Word is a straightforward process, whether you want to remove them from the entire document or just a specific section. If you want to keep page numbers but hide the one on your cover page. So for this you need to double click the header and footer area of the first page, and then in the header and footer tab that appears on the ribbon. Now look for the option group and now check the box that says different first page, and that is click on that. You will notice that the page number on the first page will disappear while the others remain. Like here you can see that 2 and 3 and 4. If you want to remove all pages number throughout the document instantly, then open the Word document again and go to the Insert tab, and in the header and footer area here is that you will see that page number. Click on this small arrow and now click on this remove page numbers, and here you can see that all page numbers are gone. If the above method doesn't work, which can happen with certain templates, so you can remove them manually. For this you need to double click near the top or bottom of any page where the number is located to open the header and footer view. Now select the page number and press the delete or backspace to remove it manually. And here you can see that. So this way you can easily remove page number in Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.